Master English Skills 2024.
Lesson 31. Do I have a reservation?
Yes. You have a reservation.
Reservation. Double room. Single room. Telephone. Suitcase. Bathroom. Television.
Note: remember to turn on subtitles to better understand the content.
Do I have a double room?
Yes. You have a double room.
Do I have a single room?
Yes. You have a single room.
Do I have a telephone?
Yes. You have a telephone.
Do I have a suitcase?
Yes. You have a suitcase.
Do I have a bathroom?
Yes. You have a bathroom.
Do I have a television?
Yes. You have a television.
Do I have a double room? Do I have a single room? Do I have a telephone? Do I have a suitcase? Do I have a bathroom? Do I have a television?